What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Guys, in this quick 2-minute video, I want to share with you an amazing thing which is happening right now because YUBIT is giving $1,000 position voucher for you to go ahead and make $1,000 trade. All you need to do is sign up for YUBIT using the link down below and download the app. That is literally it. Nothing else. Previously, when an exchange did this, it was Weeks Exchange, and over 50,000 people viewed this video right there, and thousands of people signed up, and even thousands of people missed out on this free trade because they did not sign up quick enough. So guys, link down below today's video. You can go ahead and see the top link right there, YUBIT. Click it, sign up, then go ahead and download the app. Once you've downloaded that app, go over to the rewards section right there, the rewards hub, and you can see once it loads, scroll down, $1,000 USDT coupon. This is going to give you $20 into your futures account, which you can 50x and get a free $1,000 position without any deposit requirements whatsoever. These gifts don't come along too much in the market, guys. I really would make the most of it. Once you've downloaded the app, wait 24 to 48 hours, guys, and you're going to go up to rewards right here in your YUBIT account, go down to coupon center, click coupon center, and you're going to see the available coupon exactly right here to trade with. Make the most of it, guys, because these rewards don't come around a lot. And if you take a look at the market right now, we are pushing up to this CME gap at 84,000. Whether you're long or whether you're short, it doesn't matter. You can make the most of it with this free position trade, which you can get right here. Also, there is many thousands of dollars more bonuses if you did want to go ahead and do that. You can follow the exact requirements here and get up to $30,000 or $50,000 even more bonuses. But this one right here, completely easy, no KYC required, $1,000 position trade. Go down below today's video or any of my videos, see the YUBIT link, click it, make yourself an account, name and email. That is all that is required, and you can go ahead and go up to the reward center, download the app. Once you downloaded the app, wait 24 to 48 hours, then go over here to the coupon center and claim that coupon. I hope you make the most of it. It's not the most amount of times in crypto, guys, where you get 100% free position without any deposit requirements. A massive thank you for YUBIT for in fact doing this. I really do appreciate it. And guys, I hope you make profitable trades. Any trade you get from this, any profit, you can in fact withdraw. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.